Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This is going to be a DS controller update. And the cool thing is some friends of mine got creative and we came up with something really special for it that might be a game changer. So you guys know that I got the DS controller a few weeks ago. I've been testing it, trying to figure out the settings. I did a video about it. And this is sort of an update on the DS controller. I went to my first race. I think it caused me some problems just because I'm still trying to fine-tune this thing, but it felt pretty good on track. I had way too many outs, but I don't think that was the controller's problem. It was just lack of laps on this layout. Got a chance to go to the cave, do some racing with the guys from Cleveland, and it was a great time. Really enjoyed the beautiful wood track. That's modeled after the Watkins Glen, and it was so much fun to race on, and it's beautifully decorated with some scenery but it's a tough track. And it's got a couple squeeze sections, and I didn't really have problems in the squeeze sections. I had some close calls, but I really felt like I was under control with the controller. I did tweak some settings based on what Steve and Josh had been doing with their version of this, but one of the cool things that happened was when I got the DS controller, my first complaint was I've really fallen in love with my DeFalco and the two-finger trigger. It's something I've gotten used to. It really helps me keeping my hands from going numb, and I was starting to miss it on this controller. And so my friend Josh and Greg and their friend Derek came together and came up with something really, really pretty cool. Now, this is just a prototype. I'm just going to show it off because I just think it's the coolest thing that we are in a hobby, and because of 3D printing, if there's something you want to build something, you can build it, and you can print it and make it happen, and it's really pretty impressive. It's one of the first times I was like, gosh, I really want a 3D printer. So let's go to the phone here, this camera, and yeah, so I won't go over the controller again. You guys have seen it enough, but really like it. I like the feel, except for the two-finger controller, or the two-finger trigger. And Derek and Josh sat down one night and developed a two-piece clip-on. Now, this is a prototype. The final version is going to have a screw that you can tighten around the trigger, but basically this just fits right over top of the existing trigger and just becomes an extension. And I know there are other extensions out there, but there wasn't one out there for the DS. So I just snapped on, and there you have it, folks. I have a two-finger trigger that is very comfortable and follows the contour of what I'm used to. It does extend the throw, but that's what the two-finger trigger does. And I really felt like I had pretty good control, like what I like. So, yeah, how cool is that? But this is a prototype, but my hope is that there's enough DS users that want the two-finger trigger that we might throw it on the Velocity slot car parts store. So Greg and those guys, that's probably where you're going to be able to find it once they finalize. This is a prototype, but man, it feels great. Doesn't interfere with anything. The stop, any of the mechanicals of this trigger, of this controller, and does a really, really nice job. So, yeah, hopefully coming soon once we finalize the details. But it was cool to have the prototype to try this weekend. And there were a lot of DS controllers this weekend at the cave, so really cool. Well done, Derek. Thank you. Josh, Greg, well done. How cool is that? See, that's the beauty of 3D printing. That's the beauty of being a small niche. If there's something you need, you can design it, you can print it. It's what I love about this hobby. Like our buddies, Shotgun Dave and George at Area 51 and Harry, they're building this slot car kit, right, for the dirt track cars. And it will be American made, printed here, and sold here. And it is focusing on American bodies, right? That we don't get a ton of anymore in the slot car world because all the cars are made from, a different country. And American muzzle is not something that they focus on. And that's okay. So now we're coming up with our own ways of making it happen. Guys, this is cool. Now I want a 3D printer. Dang it. Keep going down the rabbit hole. Keep going down the rabbit hole. But guys, thanks for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, you want to see more two-finger triggers. I don't know. You want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. I appreciate you tuning in, guys. How cool was that? Fantastic. It's a good time to be in the hobby. Go have some fun racing.